Are you eyeing the latest iPad Pro, but you really walk away shocked when you see that the price starts at $800? I don't blame you, that's a lot of money. Well, what if I tell you that there was a way to buy the same cutting-edge technology without draining your wallet? I mean, who doesn't want to save money? Well, in today's video, we are diving deep into the world of Apple Certified Refurbished iPads, which are really the tech world's best kept secret for savvy buyers. You are not going to believe the value that you are going to get out of this. Let's get started. Now, today's video is broken out into different sections, and I have each one of those sections pinned right below the like button. Also, there are timestamps pinned in the first comment, so if you want to navigate back and forth, it's very easy to do. If you want to share something with someone, super easy to do. Now, first, let's talk about what certified refurbished means from Apple and the process that they go through. Every product that is purchased either from an Apple store or from the online Apple store comes with a 14-day return policy, and whether you return that because you just don't like it or because there's something wrong with it, that product is taken in by Apple, sent back to the repair center, and then goes through an exhaustive refurbishment process to make sure that it is like new, working as designed. Each Apple Certified Refurbished product is fully tested. It's fully refurbished, including replacement parts with any defective modules, which includes the documentation, manuals, cables, chargers, whatever was included in the original packaging, you do get when you buy Apple Refurbished. Really, the only difference is going to be the packaging that it comes in. When you buy something from the Apple store, it's obviously the retail packaging with the picture of the next product on there. The difference is that this is a plain white box and it says the name of the product on it. That's the only difference that you can see. Now, let's talk about why you'd actually want to consider buying Apple Certified Refurbished. First and foremost, it's really important to note that when you buy Apple Certified Refurbished, you are getting a product that's gone through an exhaustive set of testing, and it really is like new minus the box that you get it in. But really, you'd choose to purchase this from Apple, one, if you're looking for sizable cost savings on buying that product brand new. Now, that product itself, it's somewhere between maybe I would say 10 and 25% of sale price of what the original device cost. But that's a lot of money when you think about it. In addition to the cost perspective, but you're also getting the same benefit of the warranty. It comes with the same level of technical support that you get from buying a new product, the same level of warranty that you get from buying a new product, and the ability to add Apple Care, which really I don't think I have a device that doesn't have Apple Care because I just have bad luck with devices and the breaking. That's besides the point, but you can add Apple Care to this device, and it's going to be just like how you would get it from a regular device, except for with the extra cost savings. I mean, come on, who doesn't like saving money? Now, if you are enjoying today's video, like I think you are, because I love the iPad, you clearly love the iPad, consider hitting like on this video to let YouTube know that this video is valuable to other people like you and I who enjoy the iPad. And if you want to help me out just a little bit more, I'm trying to get the channel to 50,000 subscribers before the end of the year, so your support is essential in that. Now, back to the iPad. Outside of saving money on the newest in tech, there is an environmental aspect where you are creating a circular economy, where you're buying products that have been returned, and you really give them a second life, really choosing to put a less of a strain on the environment, which all around is just a good thing. Try and do it when you can. Now, what we're going to do next is walk through the process of buying a refurbished iPad Pro on the Apple online store. Now, the first thing we are going to do is navigate to apple.com, and we're going to scroll to the very bottom here. And in the center column, there's going to be Apple Store, and halfway down, it's going to be Certified Refurbished. Now, depending on which country that you are shopping from, you may see different stock available. Here, I'm in the US, so I will see stock that's available in the US. Across the top here, we see that they sell all the different product categories are available to choose. Not necessarily does every product category have stock in it. But let's go ahead and click on the iPad. Now, here on the left-hand side, we see that there are different models available. We have the iPad Air, the iPad Pro 11-inch, 12.9, iPad Mini 6, and then iPad accessories, which is something that they sell here as well. Now, let's go ahead and look for an 11-inch iPad Air. And then here they show all the different models that are available from the Apple Store with what you are saving on that device. Now, if you wanted to filter down even further, you could filter by finish, by storage, by connectivity. You can choose the color. If you wanted to, you could change the storage tier. And if you wanted to, if they have Wi-Fi and cellular, you can choose that as well. I like buying Wi-Fi and cellular for most of my devices, but for this one, I am not going to. And we're going to click on Add to Bag. It even gives you the option to add Apple Care for an additional $129. And it shows here that it will be delivered on Tuesday, March 19th, which is just a few days away. So you get the product very quickly. It's not like they have to go through the process and clean one for you. They already have these products in stock. You can buy it on your Apple Card. You can't finance it through your Apple Card. That's the one thing you cannot do. But it is a good deal when you think about it. Now let's talk about real world life experiences. I bought this M1 iPad Pro 11-inch last summer because my 12.9-inch is just a little bit too unwieldy to hold for some use cases. So I bought this and it's been great. I use it a lot. Not as much as my 12.9-inch because I do love the screen on my 12.9-inch, but I use this a lot and it's covered by Apple Care, so I have the peace of mind if anything happens to it, it breaks, my son drops it on the floor, accidents happen all the time, that it is covered, and it's just a great peace of mind. And I save money doing it, which is another thing that I can't complain about because who doesn't like saving money, as I mentioned before. Now, the downsides are that, one, you don't always have immediate stock. If you're looking to get a brand new iPad Air 6 when it comes out on Monday, it's not going to be available. You wouldn't have that iPad in stock on the refurbishment store or the certified refurbished store for a good 60 to 90 days. It does take time to kind of filter through the returns, go through the refurbishment process, and then make its way to the online store. But when it's available, it goes super quick, very, very quick. It's only available for a couple hours before people buy them because they know what they're getting. Now, in conclusion, let's talk about who should and should not consider buying certified refurbished from Apple.com. So I think first and foremost, if you like saving money, and I don't know who doesn't, you can consider at least purchasing from the certified refurbished section. You're getting like new equipment, you're getting the same warranty, and you're getting it at a discount like I mentioned. Second, as long as you're not time bound, like you broke your iPad Pro today and you need to get a new device today, otherwise it's the end of the world, well, you could still shop there, but you might not have the availability of the stock, which is there. Now, if you're looking for like a really, really good deal on an iPad Air, iPad Pro, whatever the case is, you're not gonna find that on Apple Certified Refurbished website. I'm pointing at the website here on my computer. They don't sell used equipment. They don't sell things that have been gently used. You're gonna find that like on Swappa, on eBay, on Craigslist, if that even still exists. So that's where you would find, I say, a better deal, but I would say the quality might be more questionable and who you're buying it from might be more questionable as well. But I wanna know, are you interested in buying Apple Certified Refurbished? Does the discount tempt you into buying so for your next iPad? Let me know down in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about how to master your iPad, I have a video linked here. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys in the next one.